Here's some more fat. I'm trimming it. You don't cut the meat off because you know it's a rib, so it's not a lot. It's not too much meat. Okay. All right, there you go. Like this little piece, you cut it off. You don't need it either. That one, trim it up. This look really good. I have more than one, but I already done those. I just do this one so you can see how to clean your rib. See this one, I already take the membrane out of it and I already trim it up. I still have more to trim. See this little piece of fat right here? I trim it off. Always find something to trim off your rib. Always. See? So that is it. Then I have another one here. That's 3 rocks. So I'm gonna just trim this little fat off of it. This meat is very expensive, so you don't want to you want to make, when you're making it, you want to make sure you make it proper, you make it real, okay? Because this is right here is about $62 worth of meat right here. It's $62 worth of meat right here.